Hey you guys, it's Host.Promo here, and I'm going to show you how you can get 61% off on Bluehost VPS hosting plans. All you need to do is click the link down below, which will bring you to this promotion page, and you can see right here for their standard NVMe 4 VPS, you'll get 61% off. You'll also get a free domain, free backups, free SSL certificates, and you can host unlimited websites. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and their VPS servers are using the latest AMD hardware. And a VPS is perfect for websites and businesses that may get an occasional traffic spike. You really need a VPS to handle that traffic. And Bluehost has been around since 2003, so they're a very well-established host, and they host over 5 million websites. And they also have 24/7 support, and unlike a lot of modern VPS companies, you can actually call them, which for some people is very important. And if you have any questions about Bluehost VPS, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to find more web hosting promotions, then please check out my website, Host.Promo, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.